This is Novotin Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. The Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. But Kunjan,
Khona kunjani Mr. Ngobo?
Siapila man, how do you feel about the game today?
Mr. Ngobo, igame yanamhlanje ne.
Yeah.
It was nice but disappointing at the end because mangazibheke kahle I've been always saying this performance of Chiefs right now.
Yeah.
The only way you can defeat Kaizer Chiefs it's where you are playing with referee and linesman. Yabo. Because mangazujonga into esidlisile namhlanje sidliswe ukuthi ulinesman ebengekho kwiside yethu yabo.
Okay.
Including ulinesman wakhe ama offside amaninzi apha ngawachajanga and ureferee into ayenzile kwi-first half every time i-player ye-Chiefs isenza mistake ukhipha icard ufuna benzani badlale sebeziqoqile sebengekho free yabo. So le nto le isikhabathe kakhulu lapha kwi-midfield yethu le nto besiyibone Moses Mabhida uMart noCastillo kukhona into engahlangani kahle mangazubheka igame yethu beyi-right makuthiwa kunongcono yabona makuthiwa amemfundo ublom makuthiwa kunoblom yabo. So igame yanamhlanje I can say ibeyimnandi mara ureferee wayimosha. So now sizokhala because eSouth Africa bayazi ukuthi akuna VAR. Mr. Ngobo ngeke iSundowns ikore nge-offside uthi wena mase ubuya makuphela imizuzu nge-90 plus i-Chiefs ma-equalize uzodina into ongayazi because okokuqala ulemman lo wakhe akaboni next including ureferee wakhe wakhona ureferee wakhona ubabheka ukuthi okay uyaphakamisa or uyacharge wenzeni if ama-players ayaphakamisa ama-fouls amaninzi lapho uyacharge ngoba ubona amazandla aphezulu. So ureferee wanamhlanje izwa ebengekho professional.
And no referee of the season last season. It's disappointing.
It's disappointing ukubona ureferee of the season esenza yona lento le. So manje Sundowns bazoba happy ngokuthi bahlele ku-number 1 bashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs mara mawubheka bayishaye kanjani indlela right yokushaya i-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, as ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs mina angikwatanga mina I am very happy, I'm so proud nge-boys because badlale kahle even if bamisa ama-chances amaningi but I'm sure ukuthi ucoach wethu because uthe simnikeze i-chance ukuthi apheke something ukuthi at least i-Chiefs ikhona ukwenza so sizoba patient for coach wethu because siyazi ukuthi uzama something the moment beceda ukukoro mabelahla umoya phansi uyabangqama ukuthi hey guys
ngimone nange-half time kade bethi beyolwa no-referee
I see iphathi yenu I see into ijob yenu ukuthi nilwise ama-referee yithi thina management kumele ukusikhalaze nina because ni-avoide amakhadi mabenikeza i-assistant coach ikhadi at least asiluzanga because lo muntu luzohamba ohlala but mabenikeza i-player ama-defender we-Chiefs ebedlala namakhadi and amakhadi akhona unnecessary wonke ngendaba yani ureferee it was unprofessional and uMr. Motsepe ifangaza azwe le nto le siyayicela we know ukuthi maybe i-VAR i-expensive but i-South Africa inemali
kakhulu
until i-VAR ifike eSouth Africa i-Sundowns ulokhu ithatha amakhaphu kanje. Last season besilokhu sikhala nge-Sundowns enza yona le nto this season same story sikhala nge-Sundowns ewina ngale ndlela. Mr. Ngobo asikho happy ngendlela i-referee enze ngakhona but si happy ngendlela i-Kaizer Chiefs
nice one for now as long as you're happy nge-play hopefully next time uzothola ureferee alright uzoba neutral
to prove that uzobona i-next game yethu sizoyina clean because ureferee wakhona no referee mabebuyela back lapha bembonisa ukuthi yabona amaphutha wenziwe no referee kumele ukuthi bambhenishe just njengoba into benzile kwabongile Dom abantu bambhenisha ngendlela kwezo lezinto nalo bemele bambhenishe lo muntu bemele at least ke makuthi akakhona useyesidlise kanje egamini ayeke igoal yethu si-equalize
jabule
once
phela kuba beniwinile i-draw bekuzoba i-win
i-draw bekuzoba i-win because ureferee siyabona ukuthi it's not our side.
Let's hope next time uzoba grand Bafunet. Thanks a lot Bafunet.
Thank you.